Show you the unboxing of the Realme Narzo 30. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications like processor, battery, display and camera. So let's open the box. First, you can see the lid with Feel the Power tag. Inside it, we have a SIM ejector tool. We have documentation like a quick guide and safety guide which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. Next is a transparent back cover which will protect your phone from any harm. Here we have Realme Narzo 30. The phone has a punch-hole display. The device offers a stunning triple camera setup on its rear side. Also, Narzo branding at the bottom left. The phone looks very stylish. You will get USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. Now we have a 2-pin wall charger with 30 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Realme Narzo 30 box. Hey guys, today I have with me Realme Narzo 30. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 405 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Realme Narzo 30 has a bezel-less punch-hole display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray and volume rocker. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Realme Narzo 30 comes with a triple camera setup. Also, you'll see Narzo branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Realme Narzo 30 comes with a MediaTek Helio G95 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 256GB. Realme Narzo 30 offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by a 30 watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 48 megapixel primary camera supported by a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 16 megapixel front camera with fixed focus. The software version of Realme Narzo 30 is Android 11 with Realme UI. So guys, that's it for Realme Narzo 30. Thank you so much for watching.